Solis uses propane, or LP as it's known in other parts of the country, to power the Truma Combi heating system and also for the galley stove. The tank holds 6 gallons and will need to be refilled periodically. Propane is generally available at larger truck stops such as a Flying J or Pilot. It can also be found at some of the larger commercial campgrounds, some KOAs and such. The fill for the LP is here on the passenger side of the coach. Fortunately, having the LP tank filled is a full service operation. They will have someone come out and fill the tank for you. You'll just have to ask. They will be filling the LP right here. There's a switch here for the Solis's electric LP valve. Now there are 2 switches for this one. Both need to be in the on position for the LP to flow. We have got the outside switch here, and then we have another one on the inside. When you get LP for your coach, the technician will generally probably leave this switch in the off position. So as you drive away, you'll need to turn this back on. The interior LP switch is located here on the forward wall of the bath cabinet. The gauge for the LP tank is located here on our one-place panel. For LP to flow, both the exterior and the interior LP switches must be in the on position. A good way to ensure that you have LP flowing through the system is to light the stove on the galley. To do that, lift the lid, turn the valve, press in, and then press the igniter, and you'll see the blue flame at the stove.